What's up, y'all? Appliance Guy with TexasAFW.com. We've got some good looking stainless steel dishwashers here I'm going to show you. Here is a double drawer KitchenAid. These things are cool. I don't know if you've ever seen one. This is the protective lining that goes over the top. You got your drawer here, and then you got a second drawer right here on the bottom. Basically the coolest dishwasher you can buy. This is a KitchenAid. Looking at $5.99 for that one. It's about a $2,000 dishwasher. Here's another stainless steel KitchenAid. Looking at $3.99. Now this is a stainless steel front with a stainless handle, stainless tub. Here's a Whirlpool Gold. It's got the stainless front. Now this one has the plastic tub, which, having that stainless tub does make a difference, especially in terms of how quiet the machine's going to operate. But this is still a really nice dishwasher. Looking at $2.99. This was a real nice LG. We already sold that one. That one sold for $3.99. Here's another nice LG, $3.99. This is the Pro Line KitchenAid. This is almost a $2,000 dishwasher. It's basically as bad as a standard dishwasher gets. $3.99. Another KitchenAid, $3.99. Let's walk over here to the other side. Another stainless steel LG. Now this one has a couple rub marks right here in the front. If it didn't have those little rub marks, you'd be looking at $3.99, but we've got this one priced at $3.19. Here's a white LG, looking at $3.99 for that one. Here's it's metal, but it's got a wood grain effect to it. $3.99. Here's a nice Kenmore for $299. Here's another Kenmore. A stainless steel tub, white front. This is the newest style. This is the Kenmore Elite. You're looking at $4.99. Then we've got a Whirlpool Gold here. This also has a plastic tub, but again, really nice dishwasher. $299. As you can see, we got quite a few different options. We've got some more over there in the corner. We've got a lot of appliances. Need a dishwasher? Need a fridge? Need a wall oven? Washer, dryer? Pick up the phone. Give us a call. We'd like to earn your business.